Hey there, future leaders! Have you ever wondered how small actions in school can create a big impact on the planet and the people around us? That's what sustainable campus activities are all about. But here's the secret sauce behind truly powerful school projects. They're built on strong core principles. In this episode, we will learn what are the core principles that guide sustainable campus activities. Let's dive into what those principles are, and how you can use them to change your school and your community for the better. Number 1. Environmental responsibility. Sustainability starts with caring for the earth. This means making smart choices that protect nature, reduce pollution, and preserve resources like water, trees, and energy. As students, we have the power to lead the way in making our campuses more eco-friendly. When we take care of the environment, we protect our health, our future, and all living things. It's about creating a clean green space that benefits everyone. Examples. Organize a campus-wide tree planting day, and adopt those trees as class trees to nurture throughout the year. Another example. Launch a no plastic challenge encouraging students to bring reusable water bottles, lunch boxes, and utensils. Number 2. Community involvement. Sustainability grows stronger when everyone is included. The most impactful campus projects bring together students, teachers, parents, and even local groups or organizations. It's not just about what happens inside school. It's about how we connect with the community around us. When we work together, we share ideas, learn from one another, and solve problems faster. Plus, it builds a sense of teamwork and purpose. Examples. Partner with local farmers or eco-entrepreneurs to create a weekend eco-market inside the school. Another one. Invite parents and barangay officials to join a neighborhood cleanup led by student volunteers. Number 3. Education and awareness. You can't fix what you don't understand. That's why a big part of sustainable activities is learning and teaching. When we educate ourselves and others about important issues, like climate change or waste management, we're building a campus culture of awareness. Awareness empowers action. When students know the why behind what they do, they become more motivated to lead change. Examples. Host eco-talks or mini TED-style presentations where students speak about environmental issues they care about. Create posters and infographics around the school showing facts about saving energy and reducing waste. Number 4. Consistency and long-term thinking. Sustainability isn't a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. Truly impactful campus projects are designed to continue over time. That means planning for how the activity will be maintained, improved, or passed on to future student leaders. Long-term projects create habits and traditions. They influence not just your batch, but those that follow you. Examples. Start a school compost pit that stays active throughout the year and is monitored by a rotating student team. Create a green calendar of monthly eco-events like Recycling Week, Plant Month, and Earth Hour participation. Number 5. Innovation and creativity. Sustainability doesn't have to be boring. In fact, creativity is key to making your projects stand out, get noticed, and bring joy. Whether you're designing a campaign, a product, or a solution, thinking outside the box makes it more effective. Innovative ideas are more engaging, fun, and easier to remember. They also encourage more students to join and stay involved. Run an upcycled fashion show where students design outfits from used clothes or scrap materials. Develop a student-made mobile app or website for tracking school-wide energy or water use. Number 6. Youth empowerment. Sustainability works best when it's youth-led. When students are given the chance to lead, speak up, and take responsibility, they become confident changemakers. You don't have to wait to be an adult to make a difference. Youth leadership builds self-esteem, critical thinking, and a sense of ownership for the world we live in. Examples. Form a Green Council or environmental committee made up of students who meet monthly to organize projects. Another example. Create a peer mentoring system where older students help younger ones understand and join in sustainable activities. Number 7, equity and inclusion. Sustainability is for everyone. No matter your background, beliefs, or abilities, you have a role to play. That's why inclusive projects are important. They make sure every voice is heard and no one is left behind. When everyone feels welcome and valued, projects become more meaningful and powerful. Diversity makes us stronger. Examples. Translate your posters and announcements into local dialects so everyone understands and participates. Ensure all student groups, including persons with disabilities, can join in gardening, cleanup drives, or art projects. Whether you're planting trees, cutting plastic, or starting a new green club, remember, real change starts with purpose. When your projects are built on these 7 core principles, they'll be more than just activities. They'll be movements that inspire, uplift, and unite. So what are you waiting for? Gather your team, plan with passion, and start your own sustainable campus project today. There you have it. Let's embark on this journey together where we learn to lead with heart, empathy, and a genuine desire to serve. Thank you for watching.